Hey guys, it's Bailey with Rogers Performance Marine. Well, we finally got the H22 out on one of our local lakes out here on Quail Lake. We're getting it dialed in, making sure everything's ready for the event this Saturday. We want to take a little bit of time and show you guys what they've done with like their stock ballast settings. I mean, this is right out of the box, no additional weight, no lead weight. We are not using a wake shaper right now. This is just factory settings with the factory surf left setting put in place. So we're going to take off and show you what the surf wave looks like, and then we're going to play with it a little bit and see if we can tune it in, and then we'll show you what the difference looks like if you do use a wake shaper as well. What we've seen so far is we've been completely wrong with this boat. You do not need a wake shaper. We may be able to get a little bit better, but this wave is very, very impressive, just stock right out of the box with factory settings. So we'll get going. Alright, so what you guys just saw was the factory surf left setting. We have no additional weight. We are not using a wake shaper. This is strictly just hull design. We've only got 2 people on board, very little gear. With that amount of weight, we figured 10.6 was about the best speed for it. Wave was super clean, very consistent, had really good heights, really good depth. Of course, when we start adding, coolers full of drinks, people on board, and more gear, the wave's just going to get even bigger and better. So what we're going to do right now is the factory surf right setting. By simply pressing that on the dash, it empties all of our ballast on the left side, fills the right. We're going to set it back to 10.6. We're going to show you guys the surf wave.